Want to learn how to isolate like a pro? Watch this video for my best methods when it comes to isolating eyelashes. Happy Tuesday, ladies! My name is Millie with MillyOnLashes, where I bring you the best eyelash extensions, tips, and tricks. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Tuesday. Whether you're new to lashing or have experience under your belt, proper isolation is key. By the end of this video, you would have learned the best isolation methods when it comes to applying eyelash extensions. So one-handed method just requires one hand. So you're going to have your tweezers just like this, slightly open, slightly closed, and you're going to go in and just grab one lash. And then when you feel like you have it, you go in, open, and there is your one-handed isolation method. Again, you leave your tweezers slightly open, slightly closed. You come in and you wiggle a little bit to get that one lash by itself. Voila, one-handed. Then you just pick your extension and apply. With the slide and grab method, you will be using two tweezers. Your right tweezer will be completely closed, and your left tweezer will be slightly open, slightly closed. With your right tweezer, you go ahead and slide extensions over, and the lash that is available, you go ahead and isolate. Again, you slide the extensions over with your right tweezer, you come in with your left, open, isolate. Beautiful slide and grab method. The swimming method. With the swimming method, you take your two tweezers and you gently just stroke back and forth until you see that one lash that stands out to you. Okay? So swim, 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 and isolate. Again, take your tweezers, both closed, swim for that lash that stands out to you, and isolate. That is the beautiful swimming method. Comment below and let me know what's your favorite isolation method. Mine is the slide and grab. So go ahead, comment below. Our next method is called the scoop method. It's similar to the slide and grab, but instead of sliding, we're actually coming underneath. We're scooping over the lashes and coming in to isolate. Okay? Getting that one lash by itself. Again, we're going to scoop the lashes to the side, isolate that beautiful lash, and place your extension. That is your scoop method. Now your one-sided method isolation. Your one-sided method isolation does not require your tweezers to be open. So you're going to take your isolation hand, close it, and what you're going to do is go ahead and slide over the lashes. And if there are no other lashes touching that one individual lash that's by itself, you can place an eyelash extension right on that. Okay? But if there was one, then you would have to do a proper, clean isolation, okay? So again, your one-sided method is going in with your tweezers closed, coming in, moving the lashes to the side, making sure there's no other lashes touching that natural lash, grab your extension, and place. This is your one-sided method. Now that you have learned the best methods of isolation, go ahead and practice and see which one suits your style best. If you want to learn some of my styling secrets, go ahead and click the link below in the description and sign up for my free training where I'll be giving you free mapping templates and I go in depth on how to map the cat eye. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe, and share with your fellow lash artists. Comment below with helpful if this video helped you. Thanks so much for watching. See you ladies next week.